I would like to welcome everybody to 22 Eden Street in Charlestown. Charlestown actually used to be the capital of Massachusetts before Boston.
Is that why you have those colors on?
Of course, red, white, and blue. You have to pay homage to the town's history. But before we talk about the house, we have two brilliant things we should discuss. One, right down the street is the newly renovated Edwards Playground, complete with a basketball court, hockey rink, perfect for families or taking your dog for a walk. Two, the owners of this home built in a dog washing station for your four-legged friends. So if he gets a little bit dirty at the park, come home, throw him right into the bath, and he's all clean. Right when you enter the home, you see this beautiful grand staircase which spans the entire length of the house. It's been recently renovated with an open concept living room, dining room. And then as you step into the kitchen, you see you have plenty of counter space, granite countertops, and sleek stainless steel appliances. You have this perfect patio right off the kitchen, maybe do a little bit of grilling in the summertime. On the second floor, you'll find two very spacious bedrooms. Spa-like bathroom retreat, complete with a shower, soaker tub, double vanity, and heated radiant flooring, which is awesome in the wintertime to keep your feet warm. As we head up to the third floor, you'll find that gorgeous staircase again winding its way up. We have the same beautiful engineered hardwood, along with two bedrooms, a home office, and you find your second full bathroom. But if you follow me through the office, we head upstairs for some incredible views of the city. I want to show you something that makes this home extra special. Let's go take a look at some amazing views. Aside from the home itself, the location is absolutely incredible. You're close to the 92-93 bus line, you have the Orange Line, short walk away, Whole Foods is right on Main Street, and there's great cafes, coffee shops, and the historic Bunker Hill Monument.